What about our thrilling journey through the mesmerizing Tuscan countryside by e-bike? Starting from Florence, we ventured into the heart of Chianti, an amazing wine region, cycling along scenic country roads lined with ancient olive groves and vineyards. As we pedaled through this iconic landscape, our guide shared insights into the region's rich history, culture, and culinary traditions, turning each stop into a fascinating learning experience. Along the way, we visited a typical Tuscan hamlet. Then, we cycled towards a traditional olive oil mill, where we discovered the art of crafting Tuscan extra virgin olive oil and savored its flavor. Truly memorable. But the culinary delights didn't end there. Surrounded by this romantic landscape, we enjoyed a traditional Tuscan meal paired with locally produced wines. After a day filled with exploration, discovery, and indulgence, we hopped back on our e-bikes and made our way back to Florence. To discover this and other wonderful experiences, check out the link in the bio.